Big fella reminiscing on his old shirts, man.
Yeah.
What size was that?
This would be a extra large.
You was
XL.
it was an XL pie?
Yeah, it was XL.
Big Vic, man.
Yeah.
Wow. Say, man, we cleaning out the garage, man. He let me throw shit away in the garage finally. Y'all see all that? So that's a bag of all your old stuff?
I better look at this. This stuff got some history.
That's why it's still out here, man. Let that shit go, Pop. And what is that? The Hooper Family Reunion shirt?
It looks like it.
I think we did do red ones one year.
Yeah, that's it. Hooper Family Day.
Yeah.
See, I don't throw none of my shit away.
It don't matter. It need to be.
This is when we said, hey, we can't be wearing that blue and red. That was back when them doggone gang members were shooting anything they saw.
With red and blue on?
Red or blue, that was your ass.
Pop, you got a whole bag of let it goes, man. You gotta let it go, Pop.
I can't let it go.
You gotta let it go, man. You ain't gonna be down there it's gonna take you forever, man, to get down there, man.
Oh man, I got to go through this.
You got to go through.
I got to reminisce.
Man, let it go, man.
I got to reminisce. Man.
Pop, them is extra larges, man.
I might be able to get back there.
That what you say?
I might be able to get back there.
Pop, how many X's you is from extra large right now? About 5? About at least 4.
How come you going there?
I'm just saying. Look here, man. We cleaning out the garage, man. Let it go, man. See, put it go right there. I got a spot for it right there. Put that bag right there. It can go right there, man. Come on.
Man, this is history. You know what I mean?
Come on, big fella.
Suppose I get back to it.
Big fella.
And be able to wear it. You gonna come and take the picture of me when I'm...
If you listen, it would be my pleasure to see you get back to it, because that means you done got back healthy, we back home, and then you can take the chief police job out here in Georgia.
Oh no!
You see his old uniform? Yeah, we done found your old uniforms, man. You feel what I'm saying? We done found your old uniforms, all that, man.
Yeah, but that's the fat man uniform.
That's the fat man uniform?
That's the fat man uniform right there.
What's in the other bags? You got some more bags over there. What you got over there, man? Some more reminiscing. You got to let it go, Pop. We cleaning up, Pop. All this stuff going into the trash. Goodwill into the trash, man. We dumping everything. What's up in now?
Nah, this is just
regular T-shirts and stuff.
Regular stuff.
We need to put them in a suitcase. I would fold everything up and put it in a suitcase. Don't put it in no regular trash bag.
No, we can get this to the Goodwill.
Well, Goodwill, give it in.
No. This your mama can put this out for.
We're going to the Goodwill.
No. She have people.
I know, but I'm saying it's the same thing. We might well give it Goodwill.
It's not the same. It's Goodwill.
Okay.
Goodwill selling stuff. There's people come get stuff and they give it out
to the homeless and all.
Homeless and to people that
we're gonna get it together, man. Battered. What's that other bag? Oh yeah, one more bag.
What's this black bag you got over here?
That black bag. I don't know. That's mine.
That don't look like nothing that belongs to me.
If it's Harley stuff, then whatever.